and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on Touch here with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 out here. Talking about Samsung Galaxy Tab 3, we can say that Tab 3 was a variant which was released in 2013 and had a lot of specification, a lot of differences, and a lot of things out there in it. Now, when we talk about Tab 3, we cannot miss about the battery life it offers because it offers you 4000 mAh battery along with non-removable tag. Yes, it is not removable out there, and you have 4000 mAh battery along with a weight of 304 grams. So the weight has almost reduced out. Lot of weight has been reduced out in since the Tab series was launched in Galaxy. Now, when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good screen size of 7 inch. Yes, screen size of 7 inch can be seen out here with a great sensitivities out there, a great screening and everything out there. As well as when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a resolution capacity of 169 ppi density. We can say that 169 is quite a good variant, not a bad version, but okay version we can say out there. Yes, we can say that's an okay version out there. Now, when we talk about this variant, we can say that it works really well with Android 4 out here. Yes, it is running with Android 4 as a base operator. And when we talk about the base operator, we can say that this variant offers you a good processor of 1.2 gigahertz one core out there. Yes, it is not dual core, it's one core out there with 1.2 gigahertz. Uh, Overall, it is really a good functional phone, offering you a good expandability of up to 64 GB. Along with that, you get to have that this variant offers you a variation in the internal capacity. There is internally, it has got really amazing variants out here. Along with 1 GB RAM, you get to have 1 GB RAM along with it and 8 GB internal storage capacity. Talking about this variant, we can say it offers you a okay rear camera of 3 megapixel and a good selfie camera, that is a front camera of 1.3 megapixel. So you get to have 1.3 megapixel selfie camera and 3 megapixel rear camera out there. Now, talking about this variant, we can say that it has got all the connectivities we usually look for, like the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, hotspot connectivity. You will find 3.5 jack. You will find that it has got good Wi-Fi connections out there, but you will not find NFC, infrared, radio connectivity out there. You will not find these kind of connections, which we usually used to see out back then. Talking about this variant, we can say that it has got all the sensitivities out here, like compass, accelerometer, proximity out there. You will find these kind of sensors. Apart from that, we can say overall this variant runs very well and is a very good version out there. Yes, you can say this is a good version out there. Now let us talk about the pricing of this variant, because pricing also plays a very important role in any gadget. So talking about the price, we have got a site which offers a great pricing for this. And the website name is phonezone.ae. Yes, this is the website name, phonezone.ae. And this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget so that you do not miss out your favorite gadgets out there. So this is the result of our search, and we can see there are variants with the same condition named as refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and see how is it different. Talking about refurbished products or talking about refurbished and brand new, we can say refurbished products are the products which are like newly like. Yes, these are newly like products. We can say that refurbished and brand new are actually same, are quite similar, or we can say that. Refurbished word means something new like. Yes, something new like again. Whereas brand new is untouched, which is for the very first time. Actually, these things have the same functionality and the same design. When we talk about refurbished gadgets or a brand new gadget, they have the same design, they have the same functionalities. Even the tests for them are actually same. But what differs is the usage out there. Yes, the usage out there is slightly different. If we talk about the pathway of it, then it could be said that they follow the same path, that is a base, mediator, and the consumer out there. Yes, you get to have a base, you get to have a mediator, you get to have a consumer out there. whereas the base in the brand new is company. Yes, the base is the company which first originates the gadget out there in the market. Yes, it's the one which originates, which gives the gadget out there. A mediator is the one where you get to assemble from the company and the user, is the midpoint, is the bridge out here. Now, when we talk about this, we can say that now the marketplace has the gadget. Now, user can easily approach that gadget and is the consumer, or we can say the user out there. So this is the pathway followed by a brand new product. Now, talking about this brand new product, we can say that this pathway is actually quite similar to the refurbished also, where the brand new product ends, like the user, the brand new ends out here. From here, the refurbished product extends. How it extends? This user has a product which is now used as a base. Yes, now this user's product is used as the base, and then it is released out in the marketplace, because now the user does not want to use it. Now it is given to a marketplace, a site where it can be resold. Yes, this is resold. Now the product is pre-owned, it is resold out here again. So this is the thing which happens. Now talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you something like pre-ownization, everything. Now it has been tested, it is tested out and is given to a site where it is resold with a condition named as refurbished, and the users have it. Then the users buy this variant. Now let us talk about the tests which are involved in it, because test plays a very vital role in every gadget. Either it's brand new or it's refurbished, they play a very vital role. Now, talking about the tests, it is said that tests are like, you get to have, for brand new tests are for connectivity, for their sims, their design, their internal parts, their camera, their proximities out there, everything, colorization, display, everything plays a very vital role in brand new. And the same thing happens with the refurbished products. Even the tests are more complicated in it. How? You get to have a test for the display, you get to have for buttons, you get to have for the camera, external features like audio video quality out there, the scratches out there, whether the colors is proper or not, externally what we can see through it, the battery out there, battery charger out there, battery life out there, everything need to be checked. Whereas in the other variant, you get to see that this variant also checks the internal parts like the operating system inbuilt in it, the processor, process maker, the GPU out there, the SIM recognition out there, and the memory card recognition out there, even if it has so, the data wiping, data colorization out there, data recovery, colorization, LCD apparative screening if it has, the touch screen it has, sensitivities it has, proximity, everything need to be checked. These all things collaborated and checked out. Connectivity is out there, everything, every single part is checked out. If it fails in one, it is rejected out back then. Yes, it is rejected out back then there itself. Now talking about this variant, we can say that this variant is now certified, is qualified, it is checked that it is in good quality, it can provide a good service, it is certified and is absolutely new. If any part is damaged, then it has to be rectified out there with the original parts. No other part from the company itself, it is brought out and rectified out there. So this is the reason why refurbished products are actually 100% newly like products. You get to have newly like products out there, as well as you get to see that these products plays a very vital role in any gadget. Yes, these are the things which are known as for a very important role. Now let us talk about why these gadgets are very important, or we can say these gadgets have the same functionality, because whatever the refurbished products we are using, they are actually same, they are actually the ones which were once brand new and now they have been since pre-owned, so they can be considered as refurbished, they are not brand new now. Now let us talk about the benefits of having brand new. Like, what are the benefits of having brand new products? Number one is always the pocketable rates. Yes, you get to have your favorite gadgets in your pocketable rates. You get to have your favorite gadgets in the very pocketable rates, because we know that brand new products are always not in a pocketable rate. Yes, they are always not in pocketable rates. So you get to have slightly expensive phones. Apart from that, you also get to save. Yes, you get to have a savings. When we save, why we say savings? Because brand new products are actually slightly heavy out there, whereas you get to see that refurbished products are quite less expensive as compared to brand new, so you can easily save out there. You get to save a good amount. Talking about the savings and everything, brand new product is actually having a 1 year warranty, whereas refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty, which is really a good factor out there, because once a gadget is pre-owned, you usually don't get a warranty life, but refurbished products get a warranty life of 6 months out there. Whereas you also get to have 70 exchange policy along with it. If a gadget is not verified out there or is not working properly, then the 70 exchange policy is also seen out. So these are the few benefits of having a refurbished product. So let us talk about the website which we were discussing about, and from where we got to have a refurbished gadget, so that we come to know what actually they offer about. So we were talking about PhoneZone.ae. We were discussing PhoneZone.ae. Phone zone word itself means a zone where you get to have all your favorite gadgets. Yes, a place where you get to have your favorite gadgets. And this category, all mobile phones, helps you to check out all the gadgets from these reputed companies out here. Yes, these reputed companies out there you can see under all mobile phones. Apart from that, this website also offers you 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy, which we were discussing above. Yes, we were discussing just before this. Refurbished product have 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy. So this is the same thing out there. Apart from that, you also get to have COD and free shipping. This site offers you COD and free shipping out here, so you get to have your favorite gadgets at your doorsteps with COD. And when we talk about COD and free shipping, we cannot neglect the fact that it offers you 48-hour delivery time in most parts of UAE. Yes, in most parts of UAE, you get to have 48 hours delivery time. Along with that, you get to have 1 week time in Saudi. In Saudi, it might take up to a week. For best pricing, visit out the website, or you can check out the link out there. And till then, take care. Description has the link, or Google also you can do that, phoneZone.ae. हेल्पलाइन नंबर पे भी जाके आप अपने फेवरेट गैजेट्स का ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हैं. टिल देन